Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video, I just wanted to come at you guys really quickly and show you guys this template preview that I have over on my Patreon page. This is going to be for the Slim Jim template. You guys, look at this. This is super cute, and you can customize this, you know, however you want. Any theme, any occasion as well. On this one, as you can see, I cut the little jagged edge that is like the Slim Jim, or you know, you can just leave it straight. I think straight looks nice as well, you guys. But look at how cute that came out. Like when my kids come home, they are going to love these. They are going to go crazy. Look at that. And it's so simple. Like you can get the little Slim Jims that come in this pack. How many you get? 14. You get 14, and you can give them out as party favorites in a little goodie bag. And I mean, my bad, y'all. I was still drinking my coffee. You know, and put them down inside a little goodie bag. Shoot. And it just, you know, look at that. It just makes the party stand out. Super cute. So the video giving the measurements for that will be over on my Patreon page. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, or if you would like to see me come up with something else, just let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.